In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block websites on Google Chrome. If you've ever found yourself drifting to social media or news when you meant to focus, this quick, reliable method will help you stay on track and protect your productivity. Chrome doesn't include a simple block button by default, so we're going to use a popular free extension called BlockSite. Open the Chrome Web Store, type BlockSite in the search bar, and select the official listing. Click Add to Chrome. Then confirm by choosing Add Extension when prompted. In a moment, Chrome adds it to your extensions, and you'll see it available from the puzzle piece icon at the top right. If you like fast access, you can pin it from that same menu so it's always visible on your toolbar. With BlockSite installed, head to any website you want to block. Make sure you're on the exact page or main site you want to stop visiting. Click the puzzle piece icon, choose BlockSite from the list, and then select Block this site. That's it. The site is immediately added to your block list, and if you try to revisit it, you'll be redirected instead of getting sucked back in. If the button text looks slightly different depending on your version, don't worry. The action is the same. To review or fine-tune your list, go to the extension settings. Open the BlockSite menu from the puzzle icon and choose Settings or Options to see your current block list. Here, you can add multiple URLs at once by typing or pasting them, then saving your changes. If a site has many distracting subpages, consider adding the main domain to cover more ground. You can remove any entry later, and changes apply right away. For even better control, set a schedule so sites only stay blocked during your working hours. In the scheduling section, pick the days of the week and start and end times that match your focus window. During those times, the sites on your list are off limits. Outside of them, access returns automatically. This approach keeps you disciplined during deep work while allowing flexibility in the evenings or on weekends. If your schedule changes, you can adjust it anytime. And it's worth ensuring your computer's time is correct, so the block kicks in exactly when you expect. When you no longer need a site blocked, open the same settings and remove it from the list, or temporarily turn off the schedule. No restart is required. And that's the process from start to finish. Focus mode activated. You're all set, done.